Okay, my friend, welcome back to my video how to get real and cheap traffic to your website like this. Okay, this is one of my website that I am getting traffic, and you can see I am getting thousands of visitors to my website. Okay, look at this. This is a lot of traffic, my friend. Okay, you can see the numbers. Okay, look the numbers. This is fast and real traffic, and very important, this is a safe traffic. Okay, this is very important to get real and safe traffic, not fake traffic. Okay, so you have to get all the time real traffic to your website like this. You can see I am getting a lot, thousands of real traffic every single day. Okay, you can see the date every day. I am getting average 1,000 to let's say 5,000 visitors every single day, real traffic. Okay, I will show you how exactly I am getting this real traffic. I will show you some different ways that you can buy real traffic to your affiliate link, to your website, to your CPA offers, to your landing page, to your everything. Okay, you can use this real traffic to promote everything you want to promote. Okay, so traffic source number one, please go to Google and search for safe traffic rotator. Okay, you can see safe traffic rotator. This is the best website, my friend. The best website traffic that you can get to your website. Okay. Okay, let's visit this website. Okay, you will get this page. Okay, fantastic website. And you can see here, are you looking for safe, cheap advertising for your website? Do you need traffic to your affiliate link? Do you want to build your list? Do you want your sales to grow? Or would you just like to build a residual traffic to your websites? Okay, so this site, my friend, will give you unlimited real human traffic to your website, and look at this, my friend. This is very cheap traffic. Okay, very cheap. You can get 100 website visitors only $50. Okay, look at this, 200,000 website visitors, $58. This is, look at this, very nice, very cheap, and you can use it to promote your website and get unlimited traffic to your website, and you can rank your website on Google using this traffic source. Okay, traffic source number two, my friend, I will show you one of my big secrets that I am using to promote my websites and affiliate links. Let's go to Google and search traffic cache list.com. Okay, you will get this page, traffic cache list. Let's visit, and you will get this website. Okay, you can see here unlimited different traffic source. Okay, so here you have a bulk traffic, 200,000 visitors, $39, very cheap. Lifetime traffic, okay, lifetime traffic, premium traffic, fantastic. Solo ads, this is my favorite, solo ads. And of course, unlimited website visitors, you can see here. 2 months, it's only $119. 1 month, you can get unlimited 1 month traffic for $71. Okay, so like I said, this is a very, very cheap and real human traffic. You can promote anything, everything, okay? You can promote your website, your blog, your landing page, everything, okay? Trafficcachelist.com, guys. This is one of the best traffic that you can get to your website. Traffic source number three, let's go and search in Google Turbo website traffic, Turbo website traffic, and you will get this page. You can see it, so let's visit. Okay, we will get this page, okay? Now, look, every time you visit this website, you will get a different product here. So let's refresh this page. Look at this. You get a different product. Okay, let's go to one more time. Refresh. Okay, so you will get a different product. Very nice. Okay, so how to advertise on this website? It's so easy. Okay, you have here in the top advertising. So let's visit, and you will get this order form. Okay, I think you already know what you have to do here. Okay, your name, email, URL, your website, your package, and accept and order. Okay, very nice. On this website, guys, you can get unlimited traffic. You can see here 100,000 visitors. It's only $50. Okay, very nice and very cheap. Okay, this was my 3 traffic source that I hope you will like it. I am sure you will like it. because this is a real traffic. And the best part on this traffic, you will get a statistic info, and you can check your statistic on real time. Okay, real time statistic. And the best is that you can change your link anytime you wish. Okay, you can change anytime your link, you can change it anytime. And this is very important, so you can check a different product at different links, and getting unlimited traffic to your different websites. Okay. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, please comment below this video. I will be happy to help everyone. Thank you again and have a good day. Thank you very much.